Hello guys, good afternoon. Today we are going to repair again one Portaner Mitsubishi split type inverter AC. It also has a problem like before, which the ceiling lizard crawling on the PCB board, which causes this shorted. Now the spare parts are burnt. See, this one burnt, and this one, and also the PCB traces are broken and burned. Now we are going to find out which other spare parts are affected because of this lizard got inside the board, which caused the problem to be shorted the circuits. Hello guys, today we are going to test this Portaner Panasonic. We're gonna test whether it is working right now or not. This is the indoor fan motor. This is the control display. This is the indoor I mean. And this is the outdoor board and outdoor fan motor. We will wait until the outdoor fan motor and compressor are working. So by the way guys, the problem of this cause of this lizard, the burnt components of this is I mean a bridge type rectifier, two blocking diodes, and current sensing resistor, and also this switching regulator transistor. Those were the affected component caused shorted of this ceiling lizard. Now, as I told you before, we don't have a Portaner compressor. That's why I use my simulator, this valve. Now this fan motor is working, and as well as the compressor, this simulator light I mean. So guys, thank you very much for watching this video. Until next video.